welcome to my channel. Today I am doing part 2 of catching up with all the weeds in my allotment. I'm going to have a look around at the back and see which parts are worst and just do the worst first. I've got the grass trimmer to, just cut them down just to tidy up a bit before I actually weed them properly. Let's go have a look. Hey Casper. The rats have had my sweet corn for the first time ever. I noticed the other day, which I'm really disappointed about. Can't believe they've had nearly every single one. This just needs a quick trim. I think the worst bit's probably all these. So I should start on up here and up the back. I might just trim as much as I can because I've only got one battery left in the grass trimmer. I've chopped some of the trees so I can get past without poking my eyes out. Weeded all out. And you can now see my thyme. Moved the tayberry over there, it needs tying back a bit. Mare's tail is now hidden, ready to grow back. Cleared that path. I've got these which were supposed to be pumpkins but they look like courgettes. It's my ghost pumpkin. I think the rats might have got my sweet corn because it's right next to the compost bins. I've never had them eat my sweet corn before, I'm really upset about it. And there's my other one. That is a pumpkin, it's round. There's one that looks like a courgette again. And there's some ghost pumpkins, and if the rats eat them, I'm giving up the allotment. And you can now get all the way at the back. I've stamped on them. Need to harvest the carrots. Weeded that. And I've still got some time left to quickly weed this. All the path. And I'm going to clear this path and then I'll see if I've got time to quickly trim the back of the allotment. Probably won't have time for that today. And get rid of them nettles. This is how much weeds the chickens have got so far. I also had to trim the nettles there so I can get in. This is how much weeds they've got so far. Let's carry on. got rid of all the flower head seeds. Cleared this path. Got these to harvest so I can actually open my gate and get into the brassica cage. That'll do for now for this bit. I'm going to trim the back. That's the nettles mostly gone for now. I'm going to weed these beds next time. Thanks for watching. Bye!